Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Adebisola and I'm back with like another video, but it's gonna be makeup this time. So this look is gonna be posted on Instagram. That's why most of the stuff that I do will be animated. But let's get into the video. So I'm just gonna jump right in. I'm taking the P. Louise base in Room 5 and I'm gonna use that all over my lid. Then I'm taking this brush from AliExpress. The link will be in my eyebrow tutorial video, so just go check out that video. I'll have it posted in the thing. Now I'm going to take this Morphe 3503 palette, Fresh by Nature, and this is the only palette we'll be using for this look. Going in with the purple first above the black, and getting me some tape. The tape will really help with the shape. Like just watching, you'll see like that tape is going to be what I use to map out the shape of the cut crease that I'm going to do. So I'm stamping in the eyeshadow first, and then I'm going to start blending the edges later. Y'all, if you see my eyes divert to like the side, I was watching what was this? I was watching Love Island, and I'm just like, this show is always full of drama, so yeah. Here I'm going in with that pink next to the pressed glitter. And I'm going to use that right above the purple, but I'm going to use it to blend out the edges of the purple so it can be more diffused. Be careful when doing like the outer part. I didn't want to lose the shape or that line I created with the purple, so I was just going in lightly above it, not trying to do too much and disturb that purple. Yeah, don't be scared. Like, it looks like this now, but I'm gonna be like the others and say trust the process. I'm going back in with the purple just to like blend it upwards, because we're gonna add one more color to like really set this look up. Now our last color will be that black. I really like this black from the Morphe palette. Like, I didn't really expect much because Morphe really be on some games, but this black is really good. I'm just gonna put it over the purple, and I'm gonna go back in with all the other colors and blend it up so it doesn't overpower what I have going on right now. Yep, that was just the Instagram the Instagram part coming out in me. It should look like this by the time you're done, and see me just like taking a break because my back was probably hurting. So now I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and that's what I'm going to use to cut my crease. So I'm just using this brush that I got from Clean Color. Kiki Adams have like a tutorial on how to flatten your brush so you can like get the best out of it. Just go to her channel and look for that video, and if I don't forget, I'll link it. But now I'm showing you like the shape that I'm gonna follow, and like how that tape was very essential in like how I'm gonna cut this crease. So my method for cutting a crease is I stamp the edges first before I do anything else. I stamp so like I know if I should go higher. I don't know what kind of witchcraft the others use, that they just like drag the whole brush and concealer the whole way without stopping, but I'm not that kind of girl. I'm not doing that. So this whole clip, I didn't speed it up. I didn't cut anything. I didn't do any of that. I just wanted you to see how long it took me and like the whole process without it being edited. Edited? Edited. So, taking a NYX glitter thing, and I'm going to apply that to the edges in a liner form. This glitter, I mixed it, but like the big chunks that you see are from Kiki Adams' makeup line, Glow Up Academy on Instagram. Just trying to wipe off the excess product on my lid before I go in with the next color. Now I'm taking like a black liner gel, and that's what I'm going to use all over my lid. Since I don't have the P. Louise Better Than Bad black base, I'll be using this. I'm just going to cut out another mini crease under the liner, and then I'm going to set it with the black that I used from that Morphe 3503 palette. Y'all, these IG clips, now I'm taking off the tape, and look at that. That's what you want at the end of the day. So like your work when cleaning up the cut crease will be easier. See, nothing wrong with some tape. Yep, celebrating. Now I'm going with some powder under my foundation because I have combination skin, but right now it's gonna get oily, so I'm just going in with that powder. That is the Black Radiance powder in Deep. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution foundation in F17.5. Foundation may look dark now, but I'm going in with their stick foundation, and this is F16, I believe, just like to lighten it up because that shade is really dark for me. For concealer, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Espresso, and then I'll take the two other concealers from Makeup Revolution, F12.5 and F12. Now I'm going to use that concealer brush to spread it out and put it in the places that I want it to be. And I'm going to use my hand fan to like blow that out so it gets tacky on that spot and doesn't spread out to where I don't want it to go. My beauty blender is from shopmissa.com. Literally, Kiki Adams really put me on. Like, she really put me on. So I'm just going to blend that out. And you won't see it, but I use the Black Opal stick foundation for my contour. So I already set my face. I'm just using the beauty blender to like tap it in, and the powder that I use will be like in the description below. This will also be listed because I don't think I remember right now what that the name is, but like that's the deepest shade on Morphe's website to get. Now going in with the Morphe blush. This is a poppy of blush, something like that, but I'm using that as blush. It wasn't really showing up, so I used another blush from Coastal Scents. I started putting my bottom shadow on, but like it really tried to play me with that black, so I started to go in with some powder. Still didn't work, but I almost died. So to apply my bottom shadow, I'm just going in with like darkest to lightest, so it'll be the black to the purple to the pink, just to smoke that whole thing out. And I'm gonna connect it with like that little part of the end, so like it gives me this kind of connected smoky effect. Now I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Quad. Just gonna use that goldish shade. I'm gonna also top my highlighter with like the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt palette. I'm just gonna use the purple from that, but I don't show it in the video because this is not on the list. For my lips, I literally used 99-cent pencil, like the Wet n Wild pencil from Walmart for that brown. I'm going in with MAC's Antique Velvet matte lipstick to like go over the brown. Then I'm going in with like a Maybelline lipstick. It will be listed in the description because I don't remember the names offhand, but like this is my favorite go-to lip now. Like my Instagram recently, this has been the lipstick or the lip combo that I've been using for a long time. Recently. Ooh, and my newfound favorite, the Revlon gloss. Like this is a great gloss to put on top of your nudes, like especially for brown skin girls. I've got y'all covered, even brown skin girls and Tinas. This is a nice like topper. Now going in with my Marabidesque scoop that spray in the orange one. And I'm gonna go over again with my e.l.f. Hydrating Primer Mist, which will be like the coconut one. Now I'm just gonna show the clip from before. But like, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Like, nothing wrong with that. And to see like the other clips of this look, just check out my Instagram. So thank you guys for watching. Really don't know what to say, but deuces.